Hello everyone, I'm Ariris after a very long time. Today I'm going to talk about Detective Conan. I'll be discussing Detective Conan manga chapter 1116 today. First, let's quickly recap the happenings in this chapter. We see Kagoro, Heiji, Kazuha, Conan, and Ran hiking at the beginning of the chapter. Ran convinced the others to visit because the sunset from the peak of the mountain was so stunning. Ran's purpose here was to help Heiji to confess to Kazuha. She also assumed Momiji would not come since she would have trouble hiking the mountain. Momiji was unable to attend due to the competition. They decide to seek shelter at a temple when it begins to rain as they are walking. In the temple, they meet three people: Tetsushin Ashu, Kintetsu, and Tontetsu. Ran, Kazuha, and Conan are sitting in a room inside the temple. Ran tells Kazuha that Shinichi and the two had begun dating. When Kazuha hears this, she begins to cry happily. Then Heiji and Kagoro appear. Their wet clothing has been put in the dryer. Tontetsu brings them their belongings, which have dried in a basket. However, Heiji's amulet is not there. Neither of the three monks saw the amulet. Conan then says the other person in the temple to inquire about the whereabouts of the amulet. According to Tetsushin, there was once another monk by the name of Kantetsu, but 5 days ago, he suddenly disappeared. The monks then tell about seeing Gyurindikuro, a demon, and soul orbs. According to Kintetsu, this beast might have kidnapped Kantetsu. On the other page, we see Kagoro coming out restroom. An iron ball rolling down the stairs lands next to Kagoro. Kagoro notices this and climbs the stairs and enters the room. We see Kagoro encountering a silhouette in the room. Ran, Conan, Heiji, and Kazuha are seated in the room, then they hear a noise and leave the room. On the stairs that Kagoro just went up, they see soul orbs. When Conan and Heiji climb the stairs and enter the room, they find Kantetsu. This is the chapter's quick summary. I want to start by talking about Kantetsu. Kantetsu has both beard and hair grown. Therefore, it is most likely that Kantetsu was murdered some time after going missing rather than right away. Kagoro, who noticed the iron ball, entered the room and witnessed what happened as the murderer was getting ready to make this crime appear to be Gyurindikuro's doing. Kagoro is probably unconscious somewhere. Another thing I noticed is that there is a bucket of water on the side of the stairs when Conan and Heiji climb it. This bucket of water was gone as Kagoro climbed the steps. This bucket could be related to these balls. Another mystery is why the murderer committed this crime and how he found Kantetsu. To be honest, it's tough to say anything about these issues right now. I also wonder if the whole situation had something to do with Heiji's amulet. But that can be related to the romantic aspect. Do you think that Heiji will be able to confess to Kazuha at last? What did you think of this chapter? Please share your views with me in the comments. That's it for today. Thanks for watching the video till the end.